Hello, my name is Candy Cooper and I'm here to show you Simplicity's amazing new 12 needle felting machine. This machine is just like needle felting by hand except without all the hard work and time. You can use your favorite materials such as wool roving, repurposed sweaters and suits, as well as silks, organza ribbon, denim, and more to create one-of-a-kind pieces. Regardless of what your favorite craft is, I think you'll find that this machine adds a whole new dimension to your hobby. Not to mention the ease at which the felting machine helps you create embellished garments like fiber collages, quilt blocks, and accessories like I have here. One of my favorite features is that you can use the machine with all 12 needles or taper it down to a single needle depending on if you're working on a large piece or adding detail to another. For ideas, be sure to check out Simplicity's felting project book, complete with instructions and patterns. And I promise, the more experimenting you do, the more ideas you'll dream up, and it's all about playing and having fun. So let's take a closer look at this fabulous machine. So I've got a couple things I've been working on. When you get your machine, you will get an instruction booklet like this one here, which will tell you how to work it. But let's take a closer look. You'll also get the lint brush, tweezers, some extra needles, a large Allen wrench, a small Allen wrench, and come over here and we'll just open this door so you can see the inner workings. If you want to change out your needles, what you'll need to do is loosen this screw right here and then remove the needle guard. Once you're in there, you'll use your large Allen wrench to loosen this top screw right here. And here's a closer look at it. Use your large Allen wrench, loosen this screw, and this will pop off. And then you can use the smaller Allen wrench to loosen these screws and these screws. And we've got the tweezers if you want to help or need to pull those out. But now this is how you can remove your needles or add them. So let's take a look at the machine in action. This is a piece that's made all out of wool, and I'm working on fleece here. And you can see I've already started tacking this roving into place. And make sure you've got your cover closed. And the nice thing about this machine is I can control the speed of the felting action with the pedal. So if I just touch on it, it goes slower. If I go all the way down, it goes faster. So let's take a look here. I've got my fiber in place. And I'm just going around my poppy design, and you can see how that really takes all of that fluffy fiber and works it down in. And this is just like your sewing machine, so you can use the knob to raise your needle. And then this other piece I have, I'm actually needle felting a piece of silk ribbon into the piece of fleece. And you can see how where the needle has been punching, it really scrunches it and gives it that artsy look, which is really cool. And let's take a look. Isn't that amazing? I love that. Okay, so this is just a touch on what this thing can do. I'm positive you're ready to get felting, so check out your local craft or quilting store or simplicity.com to get a machine of your own.